This Airbus A330 landed too late at St. Martin Airport, forcing the pilots to initiate a go-around, a dramatic recovery. This Boeing 777 attempted to land at London Heathrow, but bounced upon touchdown, making a go-around necessary. What a close call. Watch as this Airbus A380 soars through the sky, leaving behind massive vapor trails, a breathtaking sight for aviation enthusiasts. These fighter jets are executing precision low-flying maneuvers in Death Valley, showcasing their incredible skill and control. An aircraft struggles against strong crosswinds at Leeds Bradford Airport. It's a go-around. The pilot reacts swiftly, climbing back into the skies just a few hundred feet above the runway. That was a skillful recovery. A legendary Spitfire flies past, quite literally spitting fire from its exhaust. An iconic moment that never gets old. A medical emergency on board an Airbus A340 forces an unexpected landing. To ensure a safe touchdown at an appropriate weight, the aircraft must dump fuel before proceeding to land. At Amsterdam Airport, a Boeing 747 experiences floating just before touchdown due to high winds, but manages to recover and land safely. An unexpected challenge successfully handled. Another Boeing 747 makes a firm landing during stormy conditions at Luxembourg Airport. The gusty winds make a challenging approach, but the pilots execute it with precision, a rare sight. A DC-9 pushes back without any assistance, performing a power back, a maneuver where the aircraft reverses using its own engines instead of a tug. The Blue Angels take off in perfect synchronization, demonstrating the incredible coordination and discipline of these elite pilots. A Boeing 737 starts up in freezing conditions, with temperatures as low as -7 degrees Celsius, 19.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The cold doesn't stop aviation from continuing its operations. A paraglider takes a daring approach by flying into a rising smoke column to gain altitude. The smoke lifts into the sky, creating an updraft, but as ash fills the air, he quickly realizes this might not have been the best idea. Despite the turbulence, he manages to climb 2,500 feet in under 3 minutes. A stunning mid-air operation. U.S. Air Force B. 52 bombers fly in formation while refueling, a complex and precise maneuver that requires absolute focus. Captured from the ground, this Boeing 747 is seen dumping fuel mid-flight, a procedure sometimes necessary for safety before landing. Finally, an Airbus A300 takes off from a snowy runway in Toronto, sending a spectacular spray of snow into the air as it gains speed and lifts off. Stay tuned for more incredible aviation moments next time.